Alrighty, guys, this is going to be your Chapter 8 intro. We're going to be talking about training and why it's um, part of the strategic approach for planning. We're going to be looking at the major categories of training, how we're going to try and determine the needs for training for our now hired employees beyond the orientation and the on the job training as well, but other trainings that they need to take. We're going to be looking at the different methods of internal and external training as well. And then we're going to be looking at the 4 levels of training evaluation. Okay, so this is Chapter 8. This is what we're going to be doing. And one of the reasons that it's important is because you have different kinds of training. You have those that are specific to the knowledge and skills, additional certifications that they may have to do their job, to do the work. Okay, a new software that they need to learn, a new um, machine that they need to learn how to use, or upgrading to a new point of sales type of software. So again, it just depends on that kind of training. But then there's other training that is needed, mandatory training, like sexual harassment, making sure they understand that and the policies that they have for sexual harassment. The other types of training, safety training to make sure that they're safe on the job. If they drive any trucks, the fact that they have to take a driving training as well. Um, Policies that they need to know as far as for their organization, if the policies were updated, some of the changes that are coming down the pipeline. So there's different trainings that they need to take for workplace um, training, and then there's mandatory training they need to take as well for them to be certified, to maintain their certification as well, for the organization to continue to function. For example, airlines couldn't function if they didn't have certified pilots, um, and that they maintain their continuing education training as well. So all of this needs to be bear in mind when we're looking at employee training and how we keep them trained and how we retain them as well. This is what Chapter 8 is all about.